Alright, this is 6125 Lake Avenue. We are going to be doing a lawn repair here. There's two sections that we're looking at. First section, I believe, is going to be this area. There was a couple trees removed, and this needs to be cleaned up and then turned to grass. So this will be a separate line item. Pretty much up to the tree here. All this can get raked out. We'll bring in fresh topsoil to level it. We'll seed it, starter fertilizer, and straw. The main one that she is looking to get fixed is in the backyard. And I assume right over here. Alright, so same thing over here. We'll need the mini with the Harley rake. We'll clean out all this debris. We'll level this area off with new topsoil. We've got some pretty decently low areas and some that are higher. We'll level this with the existing turf up to the fence line. We'll seed it, starter fert, and straw. And that's it.